Welcome to my build of a Piper Cub J3. Okay, well we now have the finished model, everything fitted out and hopefully ready to go on its maiden flight. It's nice to get the windows fitted and to get those flush side windows. I've still had to do a kind of a wrap round windscreen. In the end, everything went in quite nicely inside, plenty of room really. It helped having the smaller servo for the throttle, and plenty of room for a pilot who's actually looking quite nervous today. I've left the rear of the tank exposed. I don't know whether that's visible, but that's just so I can see how much fuel's in there and kind of gauge after I've been flying for 5 minutes or whatever whether I've got extended time. Well, I'll get the wings on now and just take a couple of shots with the wings and the wing supports fitted. Okay, and here we've got it with the wing struts in place.